I'd like to start by bringing in Rajesh Pillai into the debate to debate with Atikur Rahman this evening. Mr. Pillai, the PFI says this is about dissent. Dissent being a loosely used word that is used in the context of urban Naxal Maoist supporters, pro-China supporters, separatists, pro-Jaish-e-Mohammed groups, the Gupkar gang, the Tukre gang, and the JNU lobby. Anytime you raise any questions on them, they say you are crushing dissent. That has also been the response to the ED raids today. I have always said, Mr. Pillai, that I actually believe this group should have been banned a long time back. But your response first is I request you to open the debate on the use of the word dissent and the crushing of dissent as a response of the PFI to today's raids. Yes, please, Mr. Pillai.
Arnab, you said in the beginning, it's a long delayed action. And that's the right thing. That's the right thing. This PFI or any organization like this, it has nothing to do with democracy. It has nothing to do with dissidents. And it has nothing to do with welfare of a minority community or welfare of the society. It is all about money laundering and anti-national activities. Nothing else. They have been trying to fan communal trouble all over the country. They have been trying to disintegrate the society from the beginning, whether it is PFI or its earlier avatars. All these people want to change the way we live. We live as a democratic nation. We live as India, as a country with so many religions, diversity and everything. They want to change the basic tenets of our society. That is what they are working for. And they get money for everything. All these activities have been done in the name of charity, society, welfare, everything. These are all just bakwas. I am telling you, I have been watching the growth of PFI. I have been seeing the working of Simi, its earlier avatar. Now Simi people are all over the other parties. Even one of the minister in Kerala is a former Simi person. I won't say that he is now working for Simi, but he has a Simi background. So all these people, they have just one agenda: make money and also use it against our society and our nation. They can't deny that. They have to tell the society where this money comes from, where they get this money from. Are they using the money for the purpose they are telling the donors? It is not. They are using it for, so yeah, they have to tell the society, they have to tell. And one more thing I will tell you.
Very strong opening remarks.
You are talking about
very strong opening remarks to which Mr. Pillai. Yeah, Mr. Pillai, we are getting.
Just one moment.
Okay, please complete your point.
120 is just a tip of the iceberg. Tip of the iceberg.